Okay, so now let's try to convert this notebook as our modular coding. For this, first of all, I have to update my entity. So let me open up my entity. So inside src CNN classifier, entity is there, config entity. So let me copy. This is going to be my entity. I'll copy. And here, let me paste. Okay, so now I'll update my configuration manager. Okay, inside src config, because you think you already know. Just try to see these workflows. I think you will be able to understand, okay, what I'm doing. Now let me copy this method as it is, and inside that, inside my config configuration.py, after data ingestion, I'll try to mention it. Now let me import this prepare base model as well. Anything else I need? No, I think everything is fine. Okay. Now the next thing, I'm going to update my component. So let me copy. So inside component, I'll be creating another file called prepare underscore base underscore model. I'll copy the entire class. Okay. Apart from that, I also need to import path. Okay, path library. So from path lib import path. Then I also need to import my prepare base model configuration from entity. So let me also import. So from CNN classifier dot entity dot config entity import this prepare base model configuration. So anything else I need? Let me just check. No, everything is fine. Now let's update my pipeline. So inside pipeline folder, I'm going to create another stage 02 prepare base model .py. So this is going to be my pipeline. Okay, so I'm importing the configuration manager prepare base model component logger, stage name prepare base model, creating a constructor, but I'm not doing anything. That's why I've given the pass, and this is the pipeline, the same pipeline I've written here. Okay, I just copy pasted. That's it. Now this is I need to call inside my endpoint. So main.py. First of all, let me import prepare base model training pipeline. Then let me initialize the method. So you can see I'm calling the main method from the prepare base model. Okay, and main is the pipeline. So now I think everything is fine. Now let me test whether it's working or not. I'll delete the artifact. Now let me open up my terminal. I'm going to execute main.py. So first of all, it will ingest the data, then it will prepare the base model. So execution is completed. Now if I open the artifact, data ingestion is completed and prepare base model. See, everything is working fine. Now the next stage actually will be starting with the model trainer part.